Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 13, we are going to see an exciting formula which is left, right and mid. Previously, we have uploaded 12 different formulas in our channel which is essential for our day-to-day life reporting tasks. If you have not watched that particular videos, I have given the playlist link in description. Please do watch and share to your friends. If you feel like this playlist is useful for them. And also, we humbly request you to follow us on Instagram page because we are planning to conduct a live free session for every bi-weekly about how to build a macros. So let's jump into the video. This video will be little bit lengthy, but don't skip the video so that you will get to know what are the uses of these three functions or formulas in Excel. Go to Excel and you can see I have given the left, right and mid as a topic, the header. So now what I have to do, we're going to use the formula is left. So if you type equal to left and the syntax, it will ask the text and select the number of characters. Particularly these three different formulas will useful only for the text values in the cells, not for the other numbers or anything in the text. Okay, in the cell value as a cell value. Now I'm selecting this particular product and I just want to take only 3 or 4 number of characters as well. So I'm just giving the number as 4. I'm just selecting enter. You can see the values entered as CARR, which is CARR, which is a 4 digit. So I'm filling the values for all these things. You can see everywhere I can able to get the 4 values of from the left side of the text, which is from CARR, which will be the 4 numbers from the left. Similarly, it will be for the right. So what will happen is from the right, the syntax remains the same text, and the number of characters I'm going to give is 3, and I'm just giving the enter. You can see from the right, it will take the 3 values EAT, HIP. You can see for chocolate chip, it is taken as hip. So this is how it will be from the right. It's counting from the right of 3 characters from the right, okay, of the whole cell values. So what will be for the mid? So mid will help you to take from where to where and how many number of characters. It will be quite little slightly deviated from left and right, but yes, it to extract the value of the whole text as well. So just type mid and go to the text and give start number. Start number will be, I can give it as 1, 2 and 3, 4. I'm going to give 4 and number of characters I need is 3. Just close the bracket. You can see I got rot. How? Because I have given the start value as 4 and the end value as 3. That's why I got these values. You can see the same result, but if you see here, it will be LE because the start value is 4. WHOLE. L will be the 4 and the space is counted as one more character. So we got E. Okay. So hope you have understood this complete video about left, right and mid. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next video. Until bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.